Oh, dear diary, do you know what? We're doing all this food fast and I think I've had a Kundalini moment. In fact, it was a Kundalini moment. Anyhow, just made this, too good to miss, homemade chocolate power punch. It's got a little bit of magic in there, starting with some ground down ginger. And there's some turmeric in there, there's some salt in there, there's some sugar in there, there's a little bit of moo milk as well. Bear with me, trying to be funny, aren't you? Anyhow, just trying to show you how important it is to not give a flying fuck. Sorry, I just smoked a big fat banger and it's a school night. Good night.
Howdy, how you doing? Welcome to the Muse. Thought we'd do a real live recording with a bit of candlelight and an owl and a seagull. There's the owl and there's the seagull. And there's a message. For humanity, they live and we sleep. Apparently. I'm going to attempt to play something. Here's the rules. 30 seconds only, right? Best recording possible. Thought try the bathroom out. See what the acoustics like. Little candle over here. There's a bit of thought processes going on over there. Over most people's heads. Hey, peace y'all. Here, look at this. Woohoo! Woo! Ketones in it. Respect. Oh, I need a shit. I've had nothing to eat and I really do need a poo. Imagine that. No, don't. I already look like a turtle. Subound Ketones, this is day 13 of my food fast. Deal with it. It's true. I'm telling you. Videographer, innit? Oh, this is going to be fun. I'm going to launch the camera. You know it, don't you? Stay right there. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm just going to do it. Bye. Get to bed. It's a school night.